Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi router power bank. First, check your router's power adapter for its voltage and current specifications. Next, choose a power bank that provides the same voltage output and at least the same current. Finally, use the correct DC connector cable to link the power bank to your router's power input. This simple setup ensures your internet stays on during power interruptions. Selecting the right power bank is crucial for reliable operation. Always match the power bank's output voltage exactly to your router's requirement, perhaps 12 volts. The power bank's current output should be equal to or greater than your router's, for instance, 2 amperes. For extended use, aim for a capacity of at least 10,000 mAh, which can provide several hours of continuous power. To connect your power bank safely, always power off your router completely beforehand. Locate the appropriate DC connector cable that fits both your power bank and your router's power input port. Once connected securely, switch on the power bank. After the power bank is active, proceed to power on your Wi-Fi router. This sequence helps prevent any potential electrical issues and ensures a smooth transition. For optimal performance and longevity, always fully charge your router power bank before an expected power cut. This ensures you have the maximum possible backup time. Try to avoid completely discharging the power bank, as this can reduce its overall lifespan. Store your power bank in a cool, dry place, ideally between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight or excessive heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.